Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is, take a number x and multiply it with 3. Take the cube of the resulting number. What is the ratio of this number to the cube of original number? Here, given number is x. Then, after multiply it with 3, it will be 3x. Now, cube of the resulting number, that is cube of 3x, is 27x cube. So the ratio of the number means 27x cube to the ratio of this number to the cube of original number is given by 27x cube, and the original number is cube of original number is x cube. So it is 27 as to 1. Hence, ratio of x means ratio of 2 means 27x cube to x cube is 27 as to 1. So our correct option is option C.